right. Scanning the skies with Super Doppler 10, looking southward. A couple hundred miles south and southeast of Hatteras, we have some showers. This is the outer edges of Earl, and some of this is going to try and move northward, but it's going to hit some dry air, which we're going to look at in a moment. Here's a satellite. This is very good news. Just in the last 15 to 20 minutes, we're starting to see a little bit of erosion here on the northwest edge, and it looks like a little dry pocket is working into the eye. That may be a sign of weakening. The eye has been very strong lately. I'm very curious to see how this goes over the next half an hour and see what it does. But right now, a little bit of positive news, hopefully. Here is the water vapor, and basically that dry air I'm talking about is coming in from the north. These orange colors and darker colors, that's the dry air that it's encountering. But it's such a wide storm. So far, it's encountered some of it, and it's been winning easily, and so it's intensified. Winds of 145 miles an hour. The pressure's dropped. There's the motion, latitude, longitude, and again, it's a Category 4 storm. Now, it's expected to move northward today, and we're going to watch it every minute pretty much to see when it makes that northeast turn. It is expected to do so, but it may be a little bit later. If that happens, it makes a later turn, then it may follow this western edge. If it turns a little sooner, keep your fingers crossed, then it heads out to sea. We bring things down in the forecast. But right now, it could possibly be a Category 4 storm going into tomorrow morning offshore of Hatteras by 50 miles or higher. Here's that line. That's about 50 to 100 miles away. That is a close call. Very close. Here we are Friday, 7 a.m. It starts moving away and weakening a little bit. Category 3, maybe if we're lucky, Category 2, and then it heads off towards Boston and then towards Canada. Here is the expected winds. You can see winds 70 to 80 miles an hour. These are the gusts down here towards Hatteras and a little further north. Otherwise, along the shore, 55, 65 mile an hour gusts, and then inland, 45 mile an hour gusts. Those usually don't do anything, but we get some power outages with these 55 to 65s. Tidal flooding, mostly minor here for the northern parts of the area, eastern shore, maybe some moderate on the south end, moderate possibly for Virginia Beach, and then severe possible for parts of the Outer Banks, moderate to severe. So be careful out there, folks, on the Outer Banks. Tropical Storm Fiona stays out to sea. No problems from that. Gaston, no problems from that. Winds of 40 miles an hour. We may be impacted by that in the long term, but right now we just got to get through Earl. You can see the edges of Earl there moving to the north. And let's take a look at the 7-day forecast for you. There it is. Talking about a nice weekend after Earl moves through. All right, let's get a check on traffic with Cheryl.